Hello my dear friends, Daniel here. I just wanna let you know this amazing Dolce&Gabbana The One Eau de Parfum. This formulation is getting discontinued and is getting replaced by this one. And I was like, do you know what, let's buy a backup bottle, 150 ml right here, because I'm really sure the price for this fragrance will go up in the future. So I paid for this fragrance £67 from eBay, so £67 for the 150 ml bottle is actually a bargain. I don't want to create any hype or something like that. I just want to let you know this is getting discontinued and that's it. Between me and you, I love more but the new one doesn't smell bad at all. And the reason behind this purchase is I'm going to buy a backup bottle first because later on I'm going to have plenty of time to buy the new one if this one will grow on me. So this is just an informative video. This bottle is getting discontinued, this formulation, and is going to be replaced by this kind of bottle style, and the scent is slightly different, and right now I prefer this one over this. But don't get influenced, this is just a personal thing, a personal taste. If you love the new one, no problem whatsoever. So what do you think? £67 for a sealed bottle of Dolce&Gabbana The One Eau de Parfum. I think this is a bargain. This is just an informative video, as I said, and don't get influenced about what you see here on the channel and what you see here in this video. If you love the new one, more power to you. But personally, I love this one and I am on the second bottle and this is the third one. Also, as I said, just because I love this Dolce&Gabbana DNA, I have also the Eau de Toilette. But the Eau de Parfum is longer lasting and it's a bit more darker in comparison with the Eau de Toilette. So thank you very much for watching, guys. Until next time, take care of you. Bye bye.